Sometimes I feel very alone. It's like I can't find peace anywhere. At those moments, I step outside to find myself. I travel to different places to share a real experience and show my unique ideas and style of making videos. I don't create videos for money, I create them from love, to share my creativity with the world. Thank you to everyone who has truly supported and loved me. I'm going to show things in the future, things you have never seen before. My mission is to change the way vlogs are made. Follow and subscribe Under with Sidhu and stay with me.